In today's video, I will show you how you can unblock the contacts that you have previously blocked. The steps are quite simple, and if you find the video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. Open your phone like in the dialer app. You will see an option with 3 dots at the top. Tap on it. Now, you will see a string of options. Click on it. Now pay close attention, okay? You will find a button labeled Blocked Numbers. Tap on it, and here you will see all the numbers you have blocked. Simply tap on the number you want to unblock. Then, your number will be unblocked, and they can now call and message you. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel,